Today we are going to see law of conservation of momentum. What is the meaning of the word conservation here? Conservation means constant or not changing, right? What is not changing? The momentum is not changing here. Okay, when two objects collide, they exert a equal and opposite force on each other. So the momentum is not lost and they are stayed within each other. It is only gained by the next object. Right? It is happening in a closed system or an isolated system. What is a closed or isolated system? Only two or more objects acting or hitting together. Right? No other external forces are acting. The external forces here in the sense friction and weight. Right? Is there internal forces? Yes, there are sometimes internal forces, like if you hang a ball from a height, right? The rope here, it creates a tension. So that time tension will be there. Here no tension also, right? So probably the tension will not change the internal momentum. There are two types of collision. One is elastic collision, where two objects collide or stick together. Yes, stick together, and then after hitting they move in the opposite direction, bounce off in the other direction. Here the momentum and kinetic energy are conserved, nothing is lost. Right? This is a elastic collision. Think of a gas molecules or a billiards ball. They both come and hit each other, and after collision they will move or separate ways. Right? Another one is inelastic collision, like accidents where the mass of the first object moving with a velocity, initial velocity u1, gets hit by the second object moving with the velocity m2 and u2. They stick together after the collision. Here the kinetic energy is lost in the form of sound and heat. Right? The formula for momentum is m1 u1, first car with the first initial velocity, and the second car m2 u2. Right? After collision, what will happen? Sometimes they move together in the same direction, or they will stick in the same place. Right? Both things happening. So the formula is m1 v1 plus m2 v2, and it's a vector quantity, so direction is included. Application is, it is allowed to use to predict the collision's outcome. Sometimes most probably analyze the vehicle's safety features, right? Where and how the collisions can be avoided. And other thing is in the sports equipment designing. Thank you.